Hi, fellow believers and truth seekers. Have a great day. And context with Devarim, aka Deuteronomy chapter 28 verse 37, the word Hebrew does not even contain one oath letter that would make the H sound. Here is the spelling in oaths from right to left that would be ayin, bite, ras, and yad. There is no ha that would give an H sound. So what is the actual pronunciation of the word known today as Hebrew? It is abari, with no vowel, or ibri with vowel points. I know this might not mean much to some people, but those in the pursuit of truth will delight in this discovery. The Hebrews are actually called the Abarim. Many people whom we have grown to know the Hebrews and correlates them to the scripture don't know that the word Hebrew is erroneous. Abari. Strong's Hebrew number 5680. Ibri in the Brown Driver Briggs and is defined as one from beyond Sila.